Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the ad size and organizing assets. This prevents scope creep. Once you have compressed images and fonts, create index. HTML with a single, banner container. Ad styles, CSS and script. JS links immediately so you can iterate fast. Make sure to include meta viewport and set overflow, hidden on the body to avoid scroll bars. Then implement a basic container with width/height, matching the ad, and a visible background color, so you can see layout while you develop. Next, you add animation and interactivity. Start by preloading imagery so the first frame never jumps. Use link_rel equals preload or image in JS. For motion, prefer CSS transforms and opacity or request animation frame for complex timelines. This keeps animation on the GPU. Once done, wire click tag by reading window. Click tag or query string fallback and bind a single click handler. Make sure to add keyboard focus states and area labels so the ad remains accessible, and test with reduced motion settings. Finish by optimizing and packaging. Minify and gzip styles and scripts, convert images to WebP where supported, and keep total payload under the publisher limit. Once packaged, validate that index. HTML is at the ZIP root and run tests across browsers and devices, including ad server validation and click tracking. If something breaks, first check the browser console and ensure click tag is spelled exactly and not blocked by CSB or MIME type errors. Fixing that resolves most delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.